In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services, scroll to tap on Autofill with Google, and click on Google Password Manager. Now select the password you wish to edit, enter your screen lock, and after hitting Edit button, change wherever you want to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!